that this is the good idea to show you our facility, to show you our everyday life. I hope you enjoy it and you like what we are presenting today.
Can you tell us why Christian Tag is so important for the industry?
Basically, since 2013, once we start our business in smart packaging industry with RFID, we've been presenting multiple functionalities for our clients. But those clients were asking when we can touch the price level that they will be able to accommodate the cost of the technology inside a single product. It's why we introduced this breaking technology as a breaking news to deliver a solution for FMCG and pharmaceutical market, which is able to give all of those functionalities like brand protection, new way of communication with our customers, logistic activities, to give recycling control in a different way, or to build a new way of loyalty programs. So this is why we introduced this technology for our clients, for our partners.
And can you share some more details about the products themselves?
Sure. We introduced 3 tags. Basically, 2 of those tags, they are NFC tags. One is based on ISO 14443 protocol, which is for $3. The second tag is 15693, which is for $4. And the third tag is based on UHF standard with EPC code for 2.7 cents. What is very important with this offer is that those tags are wet inlay, so they are ready to be implemented on your product already. So you just take them and you can apply embedded them with the packaging.
And how was it possible to achieve such low level of pricing, especially for NFC tags?
That was the long way. Since 7 years, we've been working very hard with multiple factors to make that happen. First of all, we've been very focused on every single component of the tag, right substrate, right adhesives, right chips, to make those things happen. We've been working with 2 universities to make that happen, to find the best components to design the tag, which is very good in terms of the quality, but in the same time very cost effective. The next big thing was based on our collaboration with big companies from this industry. So we got a perfect support from ST Electronics, which is the second biggest RFID company in the world today, who support all of our activities to make those things happen. And the next very important factor is exactly this facility, which we'll visit today, to find the efficiency in the whole process and to achieve the right level of cost effectiveness.
You mentioned the machine park, how much important it is. Can we have a closer look at the machines?
Yes, sure. Please follow me and have a look at our machines. We will visit and have a chance to have a look at bonding and converting machines. To achieve the right level of efficiency, we need to be focused on wide web. It's why we are producing on such a wide web with a possibility to produce up to 12 tags across the web. Now we have 9 tags during this production. The second thing is very precise bonding unit to achieve 99.8, 99.9% of working tags. Inside this unit, we can produce up to 25,000 tags per hour, and we are already committed to achieve 100,000 tags per hour. It gives us 700 million tags per year. The next very important unit is based on quality check. We check the quality of every single tag at speed, HF, UHF, along with additional parameters which are important based on your process. In the end of the production, we get the dry inlay tags. They are already active. You can use them inside your products. If you need from us white web, dry inlay tags, you can get them. If you need a single web tags, you get them and it is ready for your product. But if you require from us to produce the tags in wet inlay form, label forms, or flag tags, for example, we just make 5 steps and we are touching our converting machine, hot melt adhesives station, transfer tape station, off-pitch production, very precise unit cylinder will be disruptive for the RFID industry. Please stay tuned to get more information about that in just 2 months. And now we are going back to Jacek because I know he has some more questions. Questions to ask. Jacek, here I am.
Thank you, Marcin, for a great tour. How do you think the possibility to implement NFC RFID tag to each single packaging will change the FMCG industry?
Basically, we know that RFID is around us today from the pallet level, box level, but with such an offer, we can achieve single level product with a smart packaging with a tag. It allows us to open new functionalities for the single product, super personalization, track and trace for the single product. We achieve 2-in-1 solution, so logistic activities and customer communication with NFC standard. We have also possibility to shorten the path to e-commerce, which is so important nowadays with a COVID situation around us.
And how about pharma?
Pharma that's the good question. Basically, we have multiple projects with pharma industry. Basically, in pharma, we are very focused on improvement of existing processes based on smart packaging, to have a bulk scans of the product without optical scans to improve the processes and to find the savings in a whole logistic chain. We also use additional sensors, for example, temperature sensors, to use them for the cold chain monitoring to make sure that that the process is safe for us. So once you get the vaccination, you are sure that the active substance is still active, so you get what you really want.
We have some huge projects live, do we?
Yes, we have. Basically, we have projects all over the world, from Australia to California, where we are delivering for FMCG and pharmaceutical companies.
Can we disclose some names?
No for now, but please stay tuned. In 2, 3, 4 weeks, we'll introduce some of them to the market. And please follow us to get more information about those projects.
Okay, and the last but not least question from my side. So the recent tag is not our
R&D lab to make that happen. Even this year, we'll introduce 2 additional revolution for the RFID tag industry. So please follow us on the social media. Please join our newsletter to get more information about those great achievements. And we would be very happy to work with you to be a partner in this revolution for the smart packaging based on RFID technology.
Okay. Thank you very much, Marcin, for the tour and for addressing all the questions I had. Maybe we'll have some questions from the audience. So back to you, Eve.
Thank you very much, guys. It was impressive. I have a question coming in from here, but I'm not sure if you can release this information. Where are the machines made?
where they are made? They are made in Germany.
Ah, okay. All right. Okay. Okay. There is another question coming in. Wait one moment. That is NFC is a smartphone readable RFID. What distance and does it run off your phone passive RFID? How are the antennas produced? Etching, printing, die cutting. I'm not sure if I asked the question well. I can read it again if you like.
Of course, we can use those tags to read them with smartphones. That's the answer. Both Android and iPhone. So they are basically NFC phone type 5 tags or type 4 tags. So no problem to read them with the smartphone. What is the reading distance? Depends on the it depends on the tag. ISO 14403 we can read from the shortened distance. ISO 15693 we can read them in bulk, and we can read them from the bigger distance up to with a smartphone still 1 inch, 1.5 inch. But using our hardware we can read them up to 1 meter, even up to 1.5 meter for the specific logistic activities.